As Agile adoption grows, many teams often find themselves working on different parts of the same product. But without proper coordination, things can quickly get misaligned. This is where Scrum of Scrums helps, a simple, structured way for multiple Scrum teams to stay connected and deliver as one, bringing teams together seamlessly. Let's understand, what is Scrum of Scrums? Scrum of Scrums, or SOS, acts as a link between individual Scrum teams. Instead of teams working in isolation, SOS brings representatives together regularly to talk through their progress, dependencies, and blockers. This model works especially well when teams are spread across geographies or time zones. It creates a shared rhythm, helping everyone stay in sync and avoid delays. So, how does it work? Each Scrum team continues with its daily stand-ups, sprint planning, and retros. In parallel, one representative from each team attends a Scrum of Scrums meeting held 2 or 3 times weekly. During these short meetings, usually 15 to 30 minutes, team reps cover 4 key questions. How much has the team accomplished since the last meeting? What is the team planning to work on before the next meeting? Is there anything blocking the team's progress? Is their team's work likely to affect any other team? These quick updates help keep all teams informed, aligned, and ready to support one another. Now let's explore the additional roles that keep things running smoothly. To ensure coordination across all teams, Scrum of Scrums introduces 2 important roles. First, Scrum of Scrum Master. It focuses on tracking progress, aligning priorities, and resolving blockers. Second, Quality Assurance Lead. It oversees product quality and ensures it meets shared standards across teams. Together, they help manage complexity and keep delivery consistent. Coming to the best practices to make SOS effective. A few simple habits can make these meetings more impactful. Keeping meetings short, focused, and consistent. Let teams send the most relevant representative based on the sprint's theme. Use the meeting to solve shared problems, not just report status. Align on a clear definition of done across all teams. When done right, these simple practices can turn routine meetings into real teamwork. This brings us to why SOS matters. Scrum of Scrums is more than a coordination tool. It's a way to scale Agile without losing its core values. It boosts visibility, encourages teamwork, and helps organizations deliver large, complex products with confidence. Want to dive deeper? Check out the full blog in the description and contact us using the link to get in touch. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Maruti Tech Labs. See you in the next one.